4. PowerPoint with more features. Chapter Focus. Different types of layout. The way to insert clip art image. The way to insert picture image. The way to insert background to slide. Different views in PowerPoint. The way to add animation effect. Steps to run the slides. In the previous class, you have learned about certain features of MS PowerPoint like opening and closing it and parts of it. Now, you will learn about more features to make your presentation more interesting and attractive. MS PowerPoint is a software used to present valuable information in the form of slideshow. It is used to present text, graphic, pie chart, and bar graph in a slide by continuous display of slides in a chronological manner in the computer. This presentation can be controlled by the presenter. You have also learned about slideshow, which is a collection of pages arranged in order to be displayed electronically one by one. Slide layout. The slide layout is an arrangement of text, image, clip art, smart art, graphics, movies, sounds, pictures, etc. You can choose a layout for a slide from Slide Layout Gallery. It is also defined as containers, position, and formatting in a particular slide. Placeholder. Placeholder is a dotted rectangular box which accepts text or graphic elements. Text placeholder accepts text only, whereas content placeholder accepts either text or graphic elements. 9 layouts from PowerPoint suite are as follows. 1. Title slide. 2. Title and content. 3. Section header. 4. To content. 5. Comparison. 6. Title only. 7. Blank. 8. Content with caption. 9. Picture with caption. Changing slide layout. Steps to change the slide layout are as follows. Step 1. First, show that slide which you want to change. Step 2. Then, click on Home tab from the ribbon. Step 3. Click on Layout button. Step 4. Click on the layout. Inserting a clip art image. Clip art is pre-made pictures which you can insert in your presentation. You can insert any placeholder object or image in a placeholder. Steps to insert a clip art image are as follows. Step 1. First, show that slide in which you want to add a clip art image. Step 2. Change the layout of the slide to 1. Step 3. Click the clip art task pane opens. Step 4. Enter keyboard in the search for clip art. Step 5. Click on drop-down arrow in results should be. Step 6. Click on Go. Step 7. Select the image to add a clip art image. Step 8. Then click on Close button. Inserting a picture image. Steps to insert the picture that is already saved in your computer are as follows. Step 1. Show the slide in which you want to add a picture. Step 2. Change the layout of the slide. Step 3. Select picture icon to add a picture. Step 4. Select the picture to add to the slide. Step 5. Click on Insert to add a picture to the slide. Inserting background to a slide. Inserting background makes the slide fully customized. It creates professional looking presentation by inserting a background. Professional graphic design of background can enhance the look of your presentation. Solid color for background. Steps to change the background are as follows. Step 1. First, click to open the Design tab. Step 2. Then, click on Background Styles. Step 3. Select the Format background. Step 4. Click on Solid Fill. Step 5. To open a color palette, click on the Color button. Step 6. Now select the color. Step 7. Click on Close button to apply solid color. Selected color will be applied in the slide. Gradient color for background. Steps to change the background are as follows. Step 1. First, repeat the steps from 1 to 3 same as the previous session to bring format background. Dialog box of format background will appear. Step 2. Click on Gradient Fill. Step 3. To open gradients patterns, click on Preset Colors. Step 4. Now select the pattern that you want to apply. Step 5. Click on the drop-down arrow button of Type. Step 6. Now select the type of gradient pattern. Step 7. Click on the drop-down arrow button of Direction. Step 8. Choose any direction of gradient fill. Step 9. Click on Close button to apply gradient fill on the current slide. To apply gradient fill on all slides, click on Apply to All. Gradient fill will be selected. Textured fill color background. Steps to change the background are as follows. Step 1. First, repeat the steps from 1 to 3 same as the previous session to bring format background. Dialog box of format background will appear. Step 2. Click on Picture or Texture Fill. Step 3. To open a list of textures, click on the Texture button. Step 4. Now select the texture that you want. Step 5. Click on Close button to apply texture fill on the current slide. To apply texture fill on all slides, click on Apply to All. Custom image fill background. Steps to change the background are as follows. Step 1. First, repeat the steps from 1 to 3 same as the previous session to bring format background. Dialog box of format background will appear. Step 2. Click on Picture or Texture Fill. Step 3. To open Insert Picture dialog box, click on File button. Dialog box of Insert Picture will appear. Step 4. Click on the folder containing the file. Step 5. Click on the file that you want. Step 6. Click on Insert. Step 7. Click on Close button to apply custom image on current slide. To apply custom image on all slides, click on Apply to All button. PowerPoint views. PowerPoint gives views in which you can create and organize your presentation. There are various views in which you can work. Normal view. Normal view is standard view used for creating and viewing the presentation. Slides. It shows current slide, the outline and the notes text box. Slide sorter view. Slide sorter view shows all the slides of the presentation in a small size. It shows you the miniature of each slide in your presentation. Outline tab. Outline tab shows all the titles and body text without any picture or table. Slide tab. Slide tab shows a single slide. It shows only one at a time. Reading view. Reading view is used when you don't want the presentation in full. They are easily customizable to fit your reading preferences. Slideshow view. Slideshow view is used to deliver presentation to the audience. Using normal views. Click on the button of normal view. PowerPoint shows the default view. Using outline tab. The outline tab displays only the text of the slides in outline form. In this view, you can easily move text from one slide to another. Using slide tab. The Slides tab displays the slides as thumbnails while you work on the slides. So, you can easily move from one slide to another just by clicking on it. It also allows Toy to rearrange, add or delete slides from the presentation. Using Slide Sorter view. Click on button of Slide Sorter view. It will display all the slides in the presentation. Using Reading view. Click on button of Reading view. Presentation will show in full screen but with title bar and status bar with simple controls. Using slide view, click on button of slideshow view. Your presentation will view as slideshow in PowerPoint. To return to normal view, press ESC key. Slide transition. Slide transitions are the animation-like effects that happen when you move from one slide to another. Add slide transition to make your presentation more attractive. It gives life to the presentation. Transition effects include fade, dissolve, wipe, etc., which control how one slide proceeds to the next. Steps to add slide transition in presentation are as follows. Step 1. Show the slide in which you want to add transition. Step 2. From ribbon, click on Transition tab. Step 3. Click on a ripple. Step 4. Click on the drop-down arrow of Effect option. Step 5. Click on Setting for Transition Effects. Preview of transition effect will display. Step 6. If you want to apply same transition effect to entire slideshow, click on Apply to All. Animation effect. An animation effect is a special visual or sound effect which adds more visual interest in slideshow presentation. Simple animation effects such as fade, wipe, fly in, etc. can be added to any text or an object on a slide or chart. It gives professional looks to the slide. Steps to add animation effects in the slide are as follows. Step 1. To add animation in normal view, click on any slide element. Slide elements like shapes, pictures and text boxes. Step 2. Click on Animations tab from the ribbon. Step 3. Click on Animation Effect. Step 4. To preview the effect, you can click on Preview. Assign the effect and preview the effect on slide immediately. Run a slideshow. Mainly the presentations are created to be run as a slideshow. Steps to run a slideshow on screen are as follows. Step 1. First, click on that first slide which you want to view in the slideshow. Step 2. To start the slideshow, click on Slideshow button. Selected slide fills your screen. To end the slideshow at any time, press ESC key. Step 3. Click on Next button or click anywhere to display the next slide. Next slide will appear. Step 4. Repeat step 3 until this screen appears. Step 5. To exit, click on the screen. Points to remember. MS PowerPoint is a software used to present valuable information in the form of slideshow. The slide layout is arrangement of text, images, clip arts, smart arts, graphics, movies, sounds, pictures, etc. Clip art is pre-made picture which can be inserted in your presentation. PowerPoint gives view in which you can create and organize your presentation. Slide transitions are the animation-like effects. Animation effect is a special visual or sound effect.
A. Take the correct options.